welcome to another Project Bimmer video of my 1995 BMW 318, and in this video I'm going to fit new track rods. So you'll be wondering, why am I changing the track rods out? I've tried to get it in for front wheel alignment done. It's a bit out, there's a bit too much toe in, and the tyre place I use, they couldn't free up the track rod ends. They got the lock nuts off, but they couldn't free the track rod ends from the track rods. So I thought, sod it, I just fit all new. And I got these, the left and the right one. Not sure which is which, but soon be able to tell once we get it all off. I got these from Euro Car Parts. It cost me just over 50 quid for a pair, which wasn't bad. I'll put a link in the description to parts, and they always have a sale on, so it's always worth it to use the discount code because it gets you something off. It makes it worth it. So what we need to do is we need to get the old track rods off, and that means getting the front of the car up in the air, wheels off, and then we'll see where we are. So what I need to do to get this track rod off is undo the track rod end nut. That's 17mm. Should be easy to get that ball joint off. And then I need to get these clips off, the gaiters, and then I've got access to the track rod, and you just undo that off from the steering rack. So I'm not going to show it on camera, it'll be boring, and I'll show you when I've got it off. I've managed to get the old one off here, and I've got the new one here. What I'll do is I'll try to get these about the same distance apart, which is very important. Then the steering is about where it is, and then all being well, it should it's just a matter of putting it back on, because I had to flatten the washer. You can see where it's bent over because there's a, I'll just show you a washer that goes over there, and once you've got it tightened up on the rack, you just knock that over, bend it over. It's like a lock tab. Anyway, so I'll get this all right, and then I'm going to get it back on the car. Okay, see, I didn't show you taking it off. I thought I'll show you putting it on. So the first thing I need to do is screw the track rod into here. It just screws into the rack. But I forgot to put the washer on. I'll tell you what, I don't know why I didn't think of it before. Unlock the nuts about in the right place so I can unscrew the track rod end. Make my life easier. Unfortunately, I don't have any metal clips the right size, so I'm going to have to use a cable ties. Not ideal, but sometimes you've just got to make do with whatever you have. Oh, now these aren't long. I don't think this is long enough for this one. Well, it might be. Barely. No, that one's not long enough. So I'll just get this front one on. I had some cutters to hand, there we go. Let's see if we can find something else. Might have to use two together. I do have a longer one, so we'll give that a go. So look, I've got the right way around. No, I haven't. So anyway, the cable ties will do for now. I can always order proper clips. I just need to put the track rod end in. So all that remains is to get this track rod and ball joint in. I'm not seeing what size this is. I think this is just a 17mm. Yep, it's a 17mm. I'll just buzz it on with the impact gun. And that is basically it. That's how we fit a new track rod and track rod end. So what I'll do is take it to the tyre place, get the alignment done, but before I do that I'll need to do the other side. I'll do that off camera because I'm not showing the same thing twice. Well, other side's done as well, and that went a lot quicker than the first one. Then it always does, doesn't it? When you do one side and second, the other side's always quicker. So all I need to do is get the alignment done. They'll be able to do that now because it's all new parts, all move nice and free, so they can get the front wheel alignment set up. And I might just bring you guys along if I can. So soon find out in the video if I do or not. So here we are, we're at the tyre place. So once this red car's out, we'll be going on there over the pit to do the front wheel alignment. Okay, so we've got the alignment on. Get it all lined up. On the other side.
What are you charging him on this potty weld? Tell him a fiver. They come with that, I don't think it. Yeah. We're going to come back anyway.
So I'll just leave it until it's done. I'm just taking it on a road test to Leeds and back, which is about 20 miles each way. And it definitely feels a lot better because before I had it done, you know, if I hit a pothole or a bump, it'd wander a bit. But most of the time it was alright, but it needed doing. Should get your front wheel alignment checked regularly. So I'm going to wrap this video up. Hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.